Embarking on a hiking adventure with your furry friend? Pause for a moment. Here are a few essential tips to know before you hit the trail. First, check if the trail is dog-friendly. Not all trails welcome our four-legged companions. Second, ensure your dog is physically able to handle the hike. If you're unsure, a quick vet visit can clear any doubts. Third, pack essentials. Water, dog food, a leash, and a first aid kit are non-negotiable. Fourth, remember the leave no trace principle. Yes, this includes cleaning up after your dog. Finally, keep your dog on a leash. It's safer for the wildlife, other hikers, and your dog. So go ahead, enjoy the great outdoors with your best friend. But remember, preparation is key.